Hey, Daniel Paul here with East Wind SEO coming at you with a video to show you some tips on how to improve your online presence using three things: backlinks, citations, and content. So I make these videos and I send them out to other business owners in hopes that they can take some of this information, apply it themselves, get themselves ranking where they're struggling at. If they have any questions, if they have a marketing team, they can send it out to them or they can reach out to me. You guys can always reach out to me if you're looking for somebody to run your marketing. But I hope you can take some of this free information and apply it yourself. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have your website pulled up right here. And I will say it's a good looking website. Things I like to see, like this up here, you have your phone numbers right up here where you can just click on them and call. You have your review us on Google right here. You have your social links, which is awesome. If we move down, you got a nice video here. It's a very clear video. It's good. It's good to have that. You have a nice flow to your website. Everything loads up quickly. It's not a slow or glitchy website. So I mean, all in all, it's a well-designed site. Some of the things I would recommend right off the bat is more content. So Google is going to they're going to crawl your website, and they're looking for content. Google loves content, and they are looking for all those buyer intent keywords that should be in your content. So the more content you have, the more buyer intent keywords that you can place into that content, and the more likely it is going to get you to rank up in the top of the Google search, right? So going down, if we take a look at your service areas and we click on that, it just brings you to another page saying these are all your service areas. It would be great if you had maybe like separate service page for each of these, or at least some of these places. So they have their own service page, right? And you can put your, a little bit of content on there, maybe 500 words. It depends, some of the competition you would have to look at and see what they're doing. But 500 to 750 words, and then you can get some keywords that are specific to that area. And you can get those separate service pages to rank for that area. And that'll bring them back, that'll link back to your site. And that will definitely increase the chances of you being found for any buyer intent keywords. So let's take a look at your home page real quick. I just want to show you how many keywords that how much content you have on your front page. If we copy it real quick and just put it into a simple word counter, you have 156 words of content on your home page. So you definitely would benefit from, thrown in about 1,500 words of content, and then you can put so many more buyer intent keywords on there, and that's going to just increase your chances of being, outranking your competitors. So if we take a look at this, is one of your competitors out of St. Augustine, and if we look at what they got going on their homepage and put them in the counter, 800 words, right? So if you were to put 1,500 words of content, of keyword-rich content on your home page, you would already be ranking higher than these guys in that aspect, and that would you could definitely outbeat them with content right there. So next, if we were to take a look at Ahrefs, this is a tool that I use, a paid-for tool that helps me check out the performance of a website, what they're doing, how many backlinks they're getting, how many keywords they're showing up for. It helps me to take a look at them and then compare it to their competition and how I'm going to go ahead and outrank them. So we can see that your website has 126 referring domains, giving you 408 backlinks. You're being found for 637 organic keywords. You're getting a decent amount of traffic. So if we're going to talk about backlinks and referring domains, so referring domains are going to give you a backlink, and that link is going to go back to your website. So they're going to push power from their domain through that backlink back to your website. So a backlink's anything like a link or a button coming back from either another website or maybe a comment blog. And that is going to push that power back to your website. It's going to give your website power. So quality referring domains is something you want to definitely take note of. Quality referring domains. You definitely want more quality domains and backlinks than a ton of just spammy backlinks coming back to your website. You can do with a little bit of really good referring domains pushing a lot of power back to your website, and that could definitely help you out. So remember, you want to try and get referring domains giving you backlinks within the relevancy of your industry that you do. You don't want backlinks coming from like an ice cream shop or a restaurant or something like that. Try and keep it in with your area of work, and that's where you're going to get your referring domains from. So you can definitely go to your competitor, and these guys have a ton of referring domains. I believe they are a franchise, but you could definitely go to their backlink profile. A way to do this, any competitor you have in the area, take a look at their domains. You could always find a free link finder on a search result in Google. That's the easiest way to do it. If you have a marketing team already, they should be doing this. If not, then show this to them. This could definitely help out. You can just go down the list of all their referring domains, go up in there. You can sign up for a backlink, put your name on their website, that you get a backlink, and bam, there's your backlink right there, linking back. So you can go through all these backlinks and do that. And that will definitely help you. You could outbeat your competition in backlinks right there. That can definitely help you in the ranking on Google. So speaking of Google search, let's take a look real quick at a search. This was out of St. Augustine, a dry vent cleaning at St. Augustine. That's keyword phrase right there. First thing you're going to see are these ads right here, which is a great way to get some clients in your door. If you run a good Google ad campaign, and then you're going to see this is the Google Map Pack. So these top three right here, this is a place where you want to be as well. And by doing that, you are going to be getting citations. So you want to get your Google business profile for each area that you are in. If you're in multiple areas, which it looks like you are, you can get a Google business profile separately for each area that you're in, but you want to get as much information into that Google business profile as possible. Your business name, number, address, areas you serve, pictures, have them optimized for SEO, all that. And you want to get that and put it into as many online directories as possible, which are anything bbb.org or Angie's List, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook. Those are all online directory examples, and you'll get citations from that. So what you want to do is you want to have more citations than your competition or any of these guys sitting up here in this top three map pack. So the more citations you have, the better it's going to be for you, the better chances you have of showing up in this map pack. So think of it as popularity contest. You just want to have more citations than your competition. You want to blow them out of the water, and that way you guys will be sitting right up here in this top three and getting a bunch more traffic to your website. So with that being said, that is all I have for you guys. I do hope you got some good information from this video. I'm going to leave you with my contact information. This is my company, eastwindseo.com. You can go check it out and learn more about what I do. You can always reach out to me, hit me up on Facebook. You can email me, give me a call. I would appreciate it if you could give me some kind of feedback on this video, whether or not it was helpful. And I do appreciate you taking the time to check it out. I'm sorry that it took so long to get back to you. I did end up getting really busy, so I'm kind of still playing catch up here. So again, I appreciate you taking the time to check this out, and have a nice day.